Today, we're blasting off to conquer project management with Jira. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the Jira environment. On your Jira dashboard, you'll find key elements. The top has the navigation bar, used to access sections, and the central part displays your projects, tasks, and progress. Ready to create your first project? Click on Create Project here. Select a project template, either choosing a setup or customizing one, then provide a project name and define its type. Next up, workflows. Your project's navigation. Within your project, go to Settings and find Workflows. This determines the stages of your tasks, defining the flow from start to finish. Customize stages such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Time to add the team. Go to Settings, then in Users or People, add your team members, assigning roles and permissions for access management. This is essential for collaboration. Let's create a task or an issue in Jira. Click Create. Fill in the summary, then describe it, assign it, categorize it by priority and type, and then create it. Organize your tasks on the project board by dragging and dropping. The task cards are in their columns. Kanban provides a visual aid to see the project status and progress and keep your project on track. You now know Jira's core setup. You're equipped with the foundational knowledge to manage projects in Jira efficiently. Happy project managing!